In the continuous search for excellence, organizations must look beyond their own walls to understand what is truly possible. Benchmarking is an evaluation technique where an organization compares its performance for a specific process against the best practice performance of a recognized leader in a comparable process. This comparison helps the organization identify its own shortcomings and establishes a baseline to measure progress in its quality assurance programs. Teams can approach benchmarking through several different lenses, depending on their goals. Competitive benchmarking involves comparing performance directly with competitors, while functional benchmarking looks at similar processes in organizations outside of one's own industry. Performance benchmarking focuses on comparing pricing, technical quality, and features, whereas process benchmarking evaluates specific work routines like billing or order entry. Finally, strategic benchmarking examines how successful companies compete and identifies the winning strategies that lead to market success. Executing a successful benchmarking study follows a disciplined 6-step process. 1. Identify what is to be benchmarked. The team must be specific about the process they wish to study. 2. Decide which organizations to benchmark. Comparisons should include both peers and recognized leading organizations. 3. Determine the data collection method. Teams should keep the process simple and remain innovative while searching for new ways to improve. 4. Contact a peer in the target organization. This step involves explaining the purpose of the study and providing assurance that confidential information will not be requested. 5. Mutually arrange the event. During the visit, the team inquires about how the peer evaluates their process and what has or has not worked well for them. 6. Apply the findings. After the visit, the team determines if what they learned can be used to improve their own internal processes. However, there are several critical caveats for teams to consider before they begin. Benchmarking must be established as an ongoing process rather than a one-time project. Crucially, an organization should make every attempt to bring its own internal process to the highest level possible before looking for external partners. The team itself must be carefully selected and trained, and the study must be customized to meet specific objectives according to mutually agreed upon terms. Finally, the organization must be prepared to share findings and lessons learned across the company to ensure the study drives real change. By keeping an open mind to radically different ways of doing things, quality improvement associates use benchmarking to move their organizations from standard performance to world-class excellence.